Hi, I'm Karina Kensis, Regional Territory Manager.
And I'm Craig Harvey, Business Development Director for VS America.
And we're here with our Shift Plus Transfer Curve storage solution. Shift Plus Transfer Curve is part of our Shift Plus collection, which is a collection of tables, soft seating, and storage that all work together on the same 60-degree curve and have unparalleled curves. So what that means is that it's endless in terms of possibilities and configurations of the products. It's really like a kit of parts intended to be whatever you need it to be. The collection is also available in a variety of different straight configurations in addition to the curved. There's a variety of options and specifications, including 2 different heights, 2 different depths, single-sided and double-sided. The construction is a laminate body construction with a magnetic metal perforated back panel.
It also features 2 handles for ease of movement, magnets so you can interlock the 2 pieces together, locking casters to lock into place, and a fully welded frame, which is very important when you're moving from classroom to classroom, over thresholds. You never know if you're going to go a city block with one of these. It's fantastic.
Please visit our website for more information.